Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shirt in Photoshop using one of the easiest and cleanest methods available, the Hue and Saturation adjustment. This technique is perfect for beginners, works on almost any image, and lets you experiment with different clothing colors in just a few clicks. Whether you are editing photos for clients, creating thumbnails, fixing wardrobe colors, or just having fun learning Photoshop, this trick will save you a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. This can be any photo where the shirt color is clearly visible. Go to File, Open, and select the image from your computer. Once the photo loads into Photoshop, take a moment to zoom in slightly so you can clearly see the shirt area you want to change. The next step is selecting the shirt. On the left toolbar, choose the Quick Selection tool or the Object Selection tool. Both tools work well, but the Quick Selection tool is usually faster for clothing. Simply click and drag over the shirt area, and Photoshop will automatically detect the edges and build a selection around the fabric. If it selects too much, you can hold Alt or Option and paint over the areas you want to remove from the selection. Once the shirt is selected, go to the top menu and click Image, then Adjustments, and choose Hue and Saturation. You can also open this panel quickly by pressing Ctrl-U on your keyboard or Command-U on Mac. The Hue and Saturation window will appear, giving you several sliders to control the color. In this window, check the option called Colorize. As soon as you enable Colorize, Photoshop applies a single color tone to the selected shirt area. Now move the hue slider left or right to pick the new color you want. For example, you can turn a blue shirt into red, green, purple, or any other color you like. After choosing the hue, adjust the saturation slider to control how strong the color looks. Higher saturation makes the color richer, while lower saturation creates a softer, more realistic tone. Then adjust the lightness slider slightly if the shirt appears too dark or too bright. Small adjustments usually look the most natural. If you notice the new color spilling outside the shirt, do not worry. This is easy to fix. Go to Select and Mask at the top of the screen and refine the edges of your selection. Use the Refine brush to clean up areas around the collar, sleeves, or background so the color only affects the shirt. Once everything looks natural, click OK to apply the change. Just like that, you have completely changed the shirt color without repainting or complicated masking. This method is fast, non-destructive to your workflow, and perfect for experimenting with different style options in photos. Before we finish, here's a quick pro tip. If you want even more control, try using a Hue and Saturation adjustment layer instead of the direct adjustment. That way, you can always come back later and tweak the color without affecting the original image. And that's how you change a shirt color in Photoshop using Hue and Saturation. It's simple, fast, and extremely useful for photo editing, design work, and social media graphics. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.